Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is week 2 of JavaScript, or Introduction to Programming. This week we're going to talk about concatenating two strings together. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me increase the size of this if possible. Alright, so we'll start off by creating an HTML document so you can at least see what I'm doing here. Remember, we have two ways of doing this. We could do it via Google or Firefox on the F12, but let's just go ahead and code in Atom. So I'll create up a header here, something simple. We'll do our script type equals text / JavaScript. We could do just JavaScript, whatever. All right, so we need to have an ending for our script. We need to have an ending for our head, and we're just doing this to have some type of coding here. And let's see, okay, that's fine. All right, so it's indent in here. So we'll say var string equals, and we'll say it equals hello students. My name is, and then leave it like that. All right, well, then we have to end it. And then we'll do another string. We'll call it message. Equals, or reply, name equals hello students, my name is Fred Rogers, and I'll just put Fred Rogers, and then we'll end it. And now what we need to do is take two of those values together and consolidate them together. So what I can do is I can do two things. First thing I can do is I can just create another variable called display message, because that's what we're going to display. And so equals string plus, and then we're going to do a double quotation mark to add a space, because let's not do that. Let's just add it and I'll show you what happens. So we do var string plus name. What should happen here is when we display the name, we should say hello students, my name is, and we'll say Fred Rogers all together. Now we need to write this. We can alert it, but I'm just going to do document.write, so we get right on the screen, and we'll just say in this case we'll just say display message. So I'll show you a couple different ways of doing this, and let me save this, and let me open up that location. Open copy project path. I think I know where it's at. So let me open up a new Chrome here. Yeah. So let's find that location that is under JavaScript. So let's find the location, and yeah. Let's see here, JavaScript. Let me see where that's at. Alright, so it's under users, JCMN. Alright, so I just did this. I'll show you what I did real quick. What I did here is, if you're using a Mac or even a PC, either or, I just said copy full path. Come out to my browser, paste it here. There it is. Now I'm going to go to, you know what? I called it JS, so that's going to be a problem. So let me go back here. That's stupid. Let's rename that, refactor. So right click on it. I want to rename it. It has to be HTML. That won't work unless we called the JavaScript. We're not right there yet. Alright, so let's see if that works. Now let's go out here and refresh it. And let's call it HTML, and here it is. So we pulled it up. Hello, my name is Fred Rogers. You see how we have that area? So what we need to do is go back in here. And one thing that we could do is we could do a double quotation here and put a space in it, and then do plus. And if we save it, go back out here and refresh it, you see the space, so it's there. Another way that we could have did it is, instead of having this third message, we could just take it out of there. And what we could say is we could come here and say string plus space, like we did there, plus name. Now if we save it and refresh it, it does the same thing. It works fine. Another thing that we could have did is we could have just went into here and hit F12 on our keyboard, or we could have went down to the developer area, and I'm trying to find where I'm at. We could just choose developer and did developer tools. We go into console and we could just copy our code in here. We don't even need to declare that it is a JavaScript. We could just go in here and let's say copy this, paste it. Oops, maybe not so much. All right, boom, it says undefined, not a big deal. And we just copy this right here. Same thing, paste it, awesome. Then we come down here and we copy it again, one final step, and we paste it, and it should go on our screen, hypothetically speaking. And all right, so maybe it doesn't work that way on here. Let's see, so we can only do alert. Huh, maybe it doesn't work that way. String plus. Yeah, so it works that way. So you're gonna have to do the alert on here in order to have it written. Let's see. That's pretty much it on concatenating strings. So taking two strings and putting them together. That's pretty it. Thanks for watching this video. I'll talk to you soon.